Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with some more videos to share about what's the day is. This is Thanksgiving Eve. And look, I got me a bookcase to put my cookbooks on, and I just got a little vignette piece going here, little pulled together vignette in the kitchen, get ready to go through these cookbooks. Not so much the complete guide to pressure canning, but how about the Southern Women cookie book. Yeah, I'm about to look in there for some exciting cookie recipes and some other dessert recipes in these cookbooks that I purchased. And I'm loving the shelf that I purchased for these items. Loving this Thanksgiving Eve. Loving it. Yeah, guys, so I love my little white polar bear with the two babies on top. I love it. It is so freaking adorable. I think I got that from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. The details. Y'all can check out my crafting channel if you want to see some other stuff that I have purchased, things I have made to decorate with, and because I just love to craft and create. So go to the crafting channel if you want to see what I got going on over there. Today, I am going to share this over on my crafting channel too, but I'm sharing it today on the grocery channel because of these cookbooks that I'm about to go through. I'm about to make some sweet potato pies, a couple of small cakes, and I mean small cakes, sweet potato pie, cook the cornbread, chop up the vegetables. I got my turkey thawing. I bought two $5 8-pound turkeys from Amazon. And hold on, let me give you a gander. This is one of the 8-pound turkeys. I paid $5 a piece for these from Amazon when I put in an order one day. Can you believe it? $5 freaking dollars. Okay? Yeah, but I'm about to get busy up in this kitchen and make a couple items. I ain't gonna go crazy this year. I done got older and I can't eat like I used to eat, so it ain't gonna be all crazy this year. Yeah, I'm having me a beautiful sweet potato pie, my German chocolate cake, a white cake. I'm making some homemade biscuits, not many. We're gonna have mashed potatoes, some gravy, the turkey, the dressing, and some cabbage. Oh yes, that's about it. No, not too much. And it's just going to be small servings, not a whole big giant tub of anything. So the cooking ain't going to take me so long to finish. But yeah, have y'all heard what the heck going on? I know that people basically, I just looked down on the floor. I got to chop up my bell pepper and my celery. All that stuff got to be prepped and put in the refrigerator. That's what I got to do. But, that's what I'm about to do. Get my bell pepper in the freezer. Some of it, because I'm not going to use all of it. But anyway, I was looking on YouTube, going through videos, and I came across this guy that I usually watch. And he was discussing what HUD about to do. Did y'all hear what HUD about to do? The new sheriff in town that run HUD, he has got a hotline number, what is it, email, and go to the website to report fraudulent HUD goings on and what's happening. That means that if you got Section 8 and you got any HUD property going on with the Section 8 and all that, and any criminal activity, now I'm going to say alleged like I always do, but this is what's happening. You can check it out for yourself. If you doing any criminal activity regarding any HUD programs, properties, Section 8, you immediately going to jail. You don't collect 100. What that mean? Ain't no collecting nothing. They ain't going no regular jail. You just going straight to jail, because that's what's happening now. And they saying that the press can even send the guard to come and get folks. Ain't no interference from local law and sheriff and all that stuff. This is FBI. This is goings on where they don't need no warrant or nothing. If they catch you prostituting, drug, illegal, if the guy even mentioned if the people don't even speak English, and if you illegal, all that going on, if it's going on HUD property, Section 8, you going to jail. And also, the biggest deal too was, if you got people that in your Section 8 housing, and they ain't on the lease, you going to lose your Section 8. You and the man going to jail because it's fraud. So if you ain't heard, now you heard. And I hope you spread the word. Don't be having nobody in your Section 8 housing that ain't on that lease. And if they catch you, you going to lose your stuff. Besides that, you're going to jail, because it's a crime. So y'all best to, ain't y'all best to none. Like I gotta remind myself not to tell people what to do. I ain't here to tell folks what to do. I ain't here to raise. I ain't here to do this, that, and the other with grown folks. You probably might know better. If you don't, if you know you're doing wrong, now on any HUD property, Section 8 goes on, it's a crime. They will come after you. Like I said, you ain't going to jail, collect 100, you going straight to federal prison, however that works. But find out for yourself. This is what I heard and seen and saw on social media. And I wish I can remember the man's name, because he always on there. He like a authority on Section 8 housing and stuff, and he got the 411. Yeah, that's the info, right? But anyway, I just come to spread. Besides telling y'all what I'm about to do in this kitchen, I got my little vignette that I just threw together to share with y'all, my little cookbooks. I'm about to put this up on, piece of this video up on my crafting channel, but majority of it stays over here. So what I got? I might today even just add a few sprinkles of the marshmallows. They open and stuff because they've been going in a, what do you call it? The hot cocoa. Yeah. So I'm about to do what I do. Put my yams in the oven so they can be nice and sweet. Why I watched this man's video, he made a sweet potato casserole, put big old fat, fluffy, delicious marshmallows on it. And for the second time in him cooking that, he burned it again, because that's what made me look at his video. I said, what the heck is that burnt looking dish? Come to find out, it was complete burnt, I mean black, burnt marshmallows. And the guy said that wasn't the first time he did that. Why, if you knew you did the first time, why did you keep an eye on something that gonna cook so fast? That didn't make sense to me. If you knew that it ain't gonna take but a few seconds for the marshmallows to brown, why walk away or whatever you doing? I don't know. That just didn't make, that just, and if you did it the first time, wouldn't you don't want to do it the second? Well, I guess the third time might be a charm for him. Next year, if he hosting his family Thanksgiving dinner, if it come across my screen, because a lot of these videos I've never heard of these folks, it just come across my TV and I check it out if I'm interested. But yeah, that's it. I got it sitting up here with my little stuff I showed y'all in the earlier part of the video, but this going on my crafting channel too. But y'all, let me recap, because I was distracted, and I'm coming back in here because I know I was talking about that HUD thing. I gave y'all the 411 on that. Do your research, do your investigation. Go check it out for yourself. You cannot be caught with people that don't have their name on your dang on rental lease under Section 8, because if it is, it's a dang crime, and all y'all gonna be arrested. Ain't no get $100, go to jail, however they say that. You just going straight to jail. HUD got sheriff in town and new rules. They got a hotline number. They got a fraud. They got all this email website folks can go to and report illegals, fraud activities, prostitution. They got it for drugs, people that don't speak English, all that can be reported. And so that's what's going on. And I told y'all that's just a recap because I know I got cut off telling y'all stuff. I got distraction. But then I also put this 4-foot tree up here, which is gorgeous. Y'all seen it. It's sitting on top of the stove. This is where I'm styling it for now, sharing what I purchased. And I share y'all see my little bookshelf for my cookbooks that I'm about to bust into and make some desserts. Okay, so I guess that's it. That's all I share with y'all. My lovely polar bear with his cubs and stuff. Oh, this so I love polar bear. I love the white little polar bear. And y'all remember I got the heart and hand cookie tins that I'm about to make the sugar cookies. I just do that. But anyway, that's everything, you guys. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember, some of this is going over, this video part of it going over to my crafting channel. Y'all have a blessed Thanksgiving. Have a good one. Happy shopping. Happy get them Black Friday deals. Forget what some of them black folks say, or people that naysayers talking about they ain't gonna spend no money during the holiday. If you want discounts, clearance sale items, you best get out there. If you all do want to enjoy the holidays with friends, family, and loved ones, like this $9.99 tree I got from Walgreens, 4-foot. It's beautiful. I can create so many, like I did the gingerbread man. I can fill it up with gingerbread man. I can make pies for it. I can just put so many different things I can create to put on this dang tree. I'm letting you know right now, Miss Janita, I don't play. I can create. I know how to do my stuff. Go to my craft channel. Check it out. All right, that's it. That's all. Hope y'all have a lovely Thanksgiving and many more happy holidays. Bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe. Everything's coming up baking. I love